Hello and welcome. We continue with our coverage of the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the United States just a couple of hours before the Prime Minister comes over here. There's a huge sense of anticipation. We've got a lot of smiling faces. Sir, smile, sir. You were smiling all this time. And so we'll just get a word in from a lot of these very, very respected members of the local community over here. What's your name, sir?
Jeet Joshi.
And where do you work or what do you do?
I'm a physician here in Delaware and from Gujarat originally.
Yeah.
So very excited.
What is your specialization in medicine?
I'm a psychiatrist.
Right.
So,
Are you looking forward to this visit?
Absolutely. This is very, very cool. It's a great opportunity. Very excited.
Yeah.
Yep, absolutely.
How about you, ma'am? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
My husband is a doctor. The two sons are mine. Both of them are doctors, and I'm very proud of.
So it's a full family of doctors. So in case we fall unwell, Pooja, we can look after that headache of yours. But looking forward to this visit.
Sure.
I'm sure you must be as well.
Yes, we are.
Tell
Yes.
us your name, sir.
My name is Piyush.
Ganesh Balu, local physician.
Right. So we've got a lot of doctors. Are you all from Gujarat or across India, or primarily the Gujarati community here? What's your name?
Preet Joshi. I'm also from Gujarat as well. Super excited. Never thought we would be able
you're
to
a
meet him.
doctor as well,
I
right?
am a doctor.
Yeah, so no prizes for guessing that. But what does this visit mean for you?
I think it's something that we would have never had a chance to get this encounter, and so we're super excited to have this communities.
Take that shirt off.
Yes, of course.
As you know, India is doing incredibly well for in the test match against Bangladesh. Do you people follow cricket as well over here? I mean, no matter where I travel around the world, so we're going to be winning that. So you can put that up one more time before camera also. It's the Dream 11 India. And India doing so well in cricket, but then in test match cricket, for cricket aficionados, I know the difference. But tell me a little bit about yourself. So
I am Dr. Dilip Joshi. I'm a psychiatrist. I'm father of this Joshis.
the whole family of doctors. How about you?
I'm Anand Swaminathan. I'm not a Gujarati, my wife is.
Right. And what do you do? Sir?
So I'm a software consultant.
Right. Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. In terms of software consultancy, on the one hand, Indian professionals like you have done so well over here, but there is a sense now that many want to go back to India. So do you see that reverse migration happening?
Yeah, absolutely. I think there are a lot more opportunities, and I think
Why don't you come next to me? The light is sure. Yeah,
absolutely. Yeah, there's a lot more opportunities in India, and it's a growing economy. A lot more people still below the poverty line, so there are a lot of opportunities for software development, and there are a lot of startups that are coming so fast in India. So I think there are a lot of opportunities. I think
तो मतलब आप जो कह रहे हैं कि रिवर्स माइग्रेशन हो रहा है यहाँ से?
absolutely हो रहा है, because वहाँ पे projects इतने अच्छे से चल रहे हैं. So there's absolutely no question about people going back and looking towards startup.
और आप यहाँ कितने साल के लिए रह चुके हैं?
यहाँ पे मैं 24 साल से हूँ.
24 साल. और आपको कभी लगता नहीं है कि वापस इंडिया जाए?
अभी तक तो लगता नहीं है, but we will plan half and half maybe.
But tell me about the IT industry, and reverse migration. इसके बारे में बताइए. IT industry में US से इंडिया काफी reverse migration शायद हो रहा है. इसके तो आपका विचार क्या है इसमें?
I think there are two things. We get very talented software engineers from India. But then in the US we have a limitation on how quickly they can get their green cards and things like that. हाँ, उनको green card वगैरह करने में बहुत time लगता है. So a lot of people, they spend 6 years and then go back because they find very good opportunities. And once they get some good experience in the US, they're able to really fly really well in the Indian industry. तो वहाँ पे मतलब, so there are people who would like to go back. And of course, our roots are roots,
All right. Well, there you have it. So many members of the community over here looking forward to the visit of the Prime Minister. Just the sense of being close to Prime Minister Modi is something which they're clearly excited about. It's back to the studio.